So welcome to the video. This is part of a circle part 1. I'm going to go over 4 parts of a circle and then the other 4 parts in part 2. Now thanks for the request. This is, I believe, request number 5. So thanks to the viewer for the request. And yeah, so let's get into it. So part 1 is going to be the radius of a circle. Now this is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. It doesn't have to be, this particular line, but any distance from the center of the circle to the edge, and that's the radius. Now, the radius can be used to find out things such as the area of a circle, and it's used in quite a few equations, I would say, so it's quite useful to know how to work out the radius of a circle. Next up, we have the sector or a sector. So this is kind of like, imagine cutting out a piece of pie or a piece of cake. It doesn't matter how big it is. You can just take from the center, so you draw 2 lines to the edge, they have to be straight lines, and then that's going to be your sector, kind of like you're taking out a piece of cake or a piece of pie. So that's just a sector. Next is a segment. Now imagine you draw a straight line from one edge of the circle to another edge, doesn't matter what edge, where it is, and then you cut off the rest of that circle or color it in black or whatever you want to do with it. If you draw off that segment, that is now a segment. So that is what a segment is. And an arc is the final one for this video. An arc is just part of a circumference. So a circumference is going around the circle once, like it's the whole line around the circle, it's the edge of the circle. An arc is part of that. It's no particular amount of that, it's just, I guess, a section of the circumference. So it's literally part of that line. Imagine if you walked part way around a circle, that's going to be an arc. So I hope that was helpful. I'm going to upload a part 2. Thanks again for the viewer request. I hope that helped. If it wasn't clear, leave some questions down below. Best of luck with your maths and thanks for watching the video.